Welcome to MTM. This is where we roll up our sleeves and get down to business, building the most accessible, high-performance semi-dump trailers you've ever seen. As a U.S. manufacturer, we proudly invite you to step into our world here in Kewanee, Illinois, a massive 240,000 square foot plant that is the heart and soul of MTM. Every trailer story begins with our design and engineering process. The collaboration between our dedicated engineers and the factory floor creates an environment where both teams think deeply about the customer's operation and maintenance of our trailers. We put in the elbow grease to help you do your job better without worrying about downtime. During our design process, we take the extra time to design and test our components in a 3D and CAD environment. All of our trailer designs go through a rigorous FEA analysis. This helps us identify and fix potential issues before they occur during the manufacturing process. As a result, we are able to produce high-quality products that are more reliable and consistent, which ultimately helps prevent issues in the field that would be much more expensive to fix. It's about making sure our trailers don't simply meet your expectations, they shatter them. We take great pride in the materials we use to fabricate our trailers. Our indestructible steel sheets, which make up the tubs, are rolled with a massive 30-foot CNC-operated 4-roll plate forming machine. This keeps the consistency of the roll controlled and smooth, and what creates our unique seamless side trailers, leaving no lips or edges when joining the sheets. This is vital to allow aggregates and demolition material to easily flow out of the trailer without hanging up. We obsess over the details, from the materials we use to the craftsmanship of our team. If it's got our name on it, it has to be right. Next, we move to warehousing and kitting. The precise kitting of parts for each trailer keeps every piece and component aligned with our customers' specific needs. This balanced dance between warehousing and production scheduling is what allows us to deliver on our promise. Our process guarantees accuracy and efficiency from beginning to end. We believe in using high-quality components and materials to guarantee that our trailers are not only high performance but also low maintenance. That's why we use pins and bushings for every pivot point that are machined to exact tolerances and have grease grooves to ensure every part of the shaft receives adequate grease. This attention to detail greatly reduces maintenance costs and helps to keep our trailers as tight and stable as they were when they first left our factory. Every element of the build requires careful consideration. Even our smaller components are crafted with an eye for detail and a passion for perfection. This small parts weld line is a testament to our efficiency, feeding the main tub line with every essential component, each tailored to enhance our trailer's functionality and customization. They all come together to be assembled on the tub line, preparing for the full weld-out. In the weld-out area, our skilled welders utilize S70S hardwire to complete the tub's assembly and forge joints stronger than an anvil. Our team takes great pride in the expertise of our welders, which is a badge of honor. They undergo rigorous and ongoing testing to guarantee that every bead and joint is flawless. To begin prepping the body, we integrate tailgates and high-lift assemblies. Customization options are tailored to meet every customer's unique requirements, from coal chutes to varied high-lift options. The installation of components like fenders, insulation kits, and other options requires critical preparation and teamwork. Our mount-up process is the backbone of our operation, where the chassis and tub are forged into a single cohesive trailer. We don't cut corners or take shortcuts. Instead, we go the extra mile to ensure that every component is welded with unmatched precision and strength. By preheating our axles before welding them to the suspensions, we create a bond that's stronger than the metal itself. Knowing that your trailer will take a beating day in and day out, we make sure that suspensions and axles can handle anything you throw at them, settling for nothing less than a final build that is durable down to the details. Before beginning the blast paint process, we review the customer's desired specifications carefully to deliver uncompromising accuracy. During the quality control inspection process, Each weld is meticulously examined, and the product's overall quality is carefully scrutinized. To keep each trailer's painted finish looking great for years to come, we painstakingly prep the raw steel to provide a good bond. We use aluminum oxide to sandblast all films and oils from the steel, leaving behind a clean and smooth surface that is ready for painting. All of our trailers are hand-painted using conventional high-volume, low-pressure HVLP paint pots with no robotics involved. Our trailers are first primed with polyurethane, which provides a strong foundation for our top coat of polyurethane enamel. Trailers endure years of dirt and water, potholes, and jarring, which can take a toll on electrical systems and wiring. We really see the abuse on trailers that come in for maintenance or repairs. We use only the highest quality wiring harnesses with plug-in sealed connections. Our electrical wiring is carefully routed throughout the trailers to eliminate pinch points and prevent areas where the wiring could come loose and compromise the system, dramatically reducing your electrical maintenance costs and extending the life of your trailer. After our expert craftsmen apply the finishing touches, the trailer is lifted and rigorously tested, which is a critical step in our process. This final step allows us to deliver on our promise by providing a trailer that is fully roadworthy and ready to help you maximize your productivity and grow your business. We stand by our commitment to provide you with the highest performance dump trailer you can purchase, straight from the source. At the end of the day, it's not just about what we build, but how we build it. With pride, precision, and a promise to stand by every trailer that rolls off the factory floor. When you're out there every day putting it all on the line, you need to know who's riding shotgun with you.